Sitting at a desk for hours on end can really take a toll on your body. I mean, we're all guilty of it, right? The endless emails, the back-to-back meetings, the constant scrolling through spreadsheets. It's like we've become these human-shaped paperweights, just anchored to our chairs. But here's the thing, we don't have to be. There are simple exercises we can do right at our desks to shake off that fatigue and get our blood pumping again. First off, let's talk about neck stretches. You know that feeling when your neck feels like it's been twisted in a pretzel? Just tilt your head to one side, hold it for a few seconds, and then switch. It's like giving your neck a little hug, reminding it that it's still part of the team. And don't forget to roll those shoulders back. Just a few rolls forward and backward can release all that tension we unknowingly carry. It's like a mini massage, and who doesn't love that? Now, let's move down to our wrists. Typing all day can make them feel stiff and sore. So, extend your arm, palm facing up, and gently pull back on your fingers with your other hand. It's a simple stretch, but it feels so good. It's like telling your wrists, "Hey, I see you working hard, and I appreciate you." And then there are the legs. Oh, the legs! They're probably the most neglected part of our bodies when we're glued to our chairs. Stand up, even if it's just for a minute. Do a few calf raises. Just lift your heels off the ground and feel that stretch in your calves. It's a small movement, but it can make a world of difference. If you're feeling adventurous, try a few squats. I know, it sounds a bit ridiculous in the office, but who cares? You'll feel like a superhero afterward, ready to tackle whatever comes next. Let's not forget about the power of deep breathing. It's so easy to forget to breathe properly when we're focused on our screens. Take a moment to close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold it for a second, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. It's like hitting the reset button on your brain. So, the next time you feel that wave of fatigue crashing over you, remember these little exercises. They're not just about relieving physical tension. They're about reconnecting with your body, reminding yourself that you're more than just a cog in the machine. You're alive, and you deserve to feel good, even in the midst of deadlines and meetings. So stand up, stretch it out, and reclaim your energy. You've got this.